and welcome back to Zen Budgets. Thank you for joining today's cash envelope stuffing video. In today's video, we're going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the month of July. Alright, so as usual, I have my fixed expenses, which is my back taxes, hosting, Spotify, Hulu, and Netflix. These will be paid directly out of my account. And then we have my variable expenses. For gas, I'm going to be stuffing $40. For food, I'm going to be stuffing $100. For spending, I'm going to stuff $40. For toiletries, I'm going to stuff $25. For spending, $40. For giving, $15. Household, that's a new category, $15. That's for things like toilet paper, paper towels, dishwashing detergent, stuff of that nature. And then I have miscellaneous, which I'm going to stuff $0. Next up, let's move on to my short-term sinking funds. For those, I'm going to stuff $20 in beauty, $25 in birthday, $50 for business. Christmas is going to get $20. Clothing is going to get $20. Gift is now fully funded, so it's going to get nothing. Health is going to get $30. Phone is going to get $25. And Zelda, my kitten, is going to get $200. My long-term sinking funds are getting nothing for now. So let's just ignore that whole section. And let's stuff the envelopes now. Before I do that, I do want to empty out all the change in here and pop that in my piggy bank. The only exception is this $1 coin. I absolutely love these. I'm going to keep that. Probably not going to use it for a long time. And I'm going to pop that into my piggy bank. I think in the video where I showed you guys my piggy bank, I forgot to show you guys the coolest part, which is that it has a little cash slot. So it's kind of like a vending machine. You put your cash in and in it goes. That's the coolest part about this piggy bank. But yeah, so we have our change in here. Gas is getting $40, $20, $40. Balance is $40. Food is getting $100. Oh, let me see how I want to do this. I think I want to do 20, 70, 5, 90, and 100. $50, $70, $80, $90, $95, $100. Food has $100 now. Toiletries gets $25, 20, and 5. Spending gets $40, 20, 40. Giving gets $15, 10, 15. Household gets $15 as well. I completely forgot to put in my new household envelope. I'm just going to put in miscellaneous and then I'll add in the envelope later. Miscellaneous gets nothing this time around. Alright, so moving on. Let's move on to my short-term sinking funds. Beauty gets $20. So I already have some of my beauty money in there. I'm going to leave that cash in there, and for now I'm just going to add 20 here. That'll take my total to 65. Next up I have birthday. And then I'm going to add 25. 25. So now my total is 100, 50, 200, 220, 240, and 250. Business is a brand new envelope, 50. Christmas is getting 20. $100, $50, $70, $90, $210, $211, $212, $213. Clothing is getting 20, 20, 40, 50. Health is getting 30. Or no, sorry, gifts is fully funded already, so no need to do anything with that. Health is getting 30, which is a 20 and a 10, and that one is empty, so we just have the 30. Phone is getting 25, 20 and 5, 20, 40, 55. And last up, we have Zelda. That is getting 200. This one is also empty, so my total is 200. Oh, I forgot to write down the total for this. That was 55 for my phone. All right, this is pretty much it. I have my short-term sinking funds funded. I have all of my money for the first 2 weeks of July. I'll get around to these next time, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!